Hey, it's Faye. In my recent haul, I promised you guys a bikini haul. I don't know why I did that. An Amazon bikini haul. We can all access Amazon, yes? I decided to partner up with Native, which is a natural deodorant because it is the middle of a sticky summer. And when I say sticky, it is sticky. I shaved today, so Native is a paraben-free and aluminum-free deodorant. I just realized I capped this wrong because I just got done rubbing it all over my armpits. Okay. I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and what I noticed is that it is not sticky and it dries pretty quickly, especially if you're on the go, and it lasts all day. I'll be honest, I do a lighter morning workout or I run. I try to run. I don't normally shower afterwards unless I'm filming or unless I have to go some places, but normally I'm inside working all day, editing and whatnot. That's why I slap this on before I do my workout, and it keeps my armpits fresh, not wet, and smelling good. They're my armpits, I know, okay? I know when they start smelling funky. Literally, it has changed my summer sweat game. My favorite is the cucumber and mint scent, but I also have the coconut and vanilla, and also I have an unscented one. It's always good to have an unscented one. Cucumber and mint though is my favorite. Literally makes you feel like you're drinking a cold, spritzy drink by the pool on a hot day. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big fan of coconut and vanilla scents. If I smell it too much and if it's too strong, I get a headache. But coconut and vanilla, to my surprise, is a bit neutral and I like it. I don't really notice it, but I still smell good. I think it's because my armpits are partially selfish and they take up the scent all for themselves. If you're looking for a deodorant that's a bit familiar, natural with coconut oil or shea butter, that's also aluminum-free, paraben and sulfate-free, also vegan and cruelty-free, definitely check out Native deodorant. And also, 3 deodorants are usually $36, but if you use my link and my code, you save 33% plus free shipping and get them all for $24. So with that being said, it is time for us to start this bikini haul. Smell my armpits. Okay, so now we're on to the haul. In this hamper, there is a collection. This is from Cupshe. CPS. This is in the size large. I'm gonna put this on and we'll see. Okay, before I reveal how it looks like, I just want you guys to know that this is a bikini haul. You guys will see some chesticles. Although I have not much to offer, we're definitely gonna get demonetized. This is the first bathing suit. I feel so shy. As you guys can tell, I have nothing to really push up the girls into like my ears. There's a padding, and can we talk about the freaking cute pattern? As you guys know, I'm obsessed with pastel yellow, and this yellow, it screams sumere. Sumere. It has a very cute peplum going down here to kind of hide your burgers and hot dogs and eat that day. I am aware that I'm a stubby and thicker girl. This haul is for you guys, the ones that can relate. So the peplum runs all around and to the back and on the side. I feel uncomfortable. And on the side of your bottoms. Also, I don't think I'm gonna show the bottoms as much. I'm not as like comfortable showing that part. This bathing suit does kind of look childlike because of the like flares and ruffles and whatnot. However, I'm still obsessed with the print, and you are able to adjust the strap so you can bring and lift a bit more, or you can, you know, sag a bit more. Endless opportunities out here, guys. So here's the next one that we're gonna try. So like, the reason why I wanted to go with red is because whenever my skin gets a bit more tan in the summertime, your Asian girl has some melanin. I feel like this will flatter my skin tone a lot. It is ribbed, so it has a bit more of that like tightening, which I thought would be interesting because it's from Amazon. I don't know why I associate Amazon to be like a bad quality kind of place for bathing suits, but it really isn't. We're breaking that judgment today. It goes up here. It's like a wedgie. You know, the kind you pull. Yeah, okay. Sis, this is my favorite one so far. This is also in the size large because I wanted something that would like be bigger around this area. Okay, I'm like, that's too much. I wanted my bottoms to come up a little higher than normal because I like to like cinch in my waist. Even though this is a large, it's kind of tight on the boobies. If I would have gotten this in a medium, it would have been a little bit suffocating. But because it is in this size, it works out, you know? Do you guys know what I mean? But like the sun shining on me, this will definitely bring out that glow. Listen, Linda, in all seriousness, I should have said this earlier, but don't be ashamed or uncomfortable in your body. As much as I say I'm shy, I am. Don't let that be the reason why you don't buy bikinis just cause you feel like you'll be judged. I struggle with the no butt syndrome, alright? That's one of my biggest insecurities too. It didn't stop me from buying a bikini. If anything, it motivates me. Don't let little silly things like that make you feel like you can't buy a bikini or you shouldn't. Jiggle, girl, jiggle. Let yourself jiggle, you know? There's a bikini to flatter everyone. If you are a little bit more self-conscious around this area, well then here you go. Just a simple strap like this with a little bit of a silver detail. Oh my god. It was so close to snapping off. Don't be too wild. Because it's ribbed, it just cinches everything tightly and nicely. I'm here. I'm coming to save you. I'm having too much fun. And if you didn't notice, I'm not turning my butt around. Sometimes you gotta keep that for yourself. Forgot to do that for the first one, sorry. Here is the next one, and I got this random print. Is this like a leopard? And I got this one in medium, so here's our chance to compare and contrast. Look at this top. It has a little sleeve on the side. Don't look promising, but it's okay. Let's just try. I don't want to show you all of this. It's like too revealing. I feel like this is a little small. This is cute. I just feel so like openly open, you know? I expected the sleeves to be a bit tighter than this. You can see like it just kind of dangling on and off. The surface area for this bikini top is enough to cover your milk exit. The nipples, guys, the nipples. It does have this very cute tie right here, but that's just for show. It does not do anything. I mean, overall, I do feel like the print is cute. I want a little bit more coverage up here. It has no insurance at all. If you want to be risky, be risky. In terms of the bottoms, they just feel like any kind of bikini bottom. It doesn't have that much coverage as well. I do feel like a stress ball being squeezed. Dang it, I thought I was gonna like this more than I wanted. You win some, you lose some. So this is the next bikini. I wore this top in the vlog that my boyfriend and I went to the lake. This is also in medium, but it has a lot more coverage. As you can see, the thicker band to suck that area in a bit, and that's where all the fun happens. I forgot to jump. Okay, so this is how the bikini looks like together. I didn't get to wear the bottoms when I was with my boyfriend because, you know, I was on my monthly. I just love this print. I feel like it brings a lot of like desire to the eyes because it's a snake. Not a snake. When I was wearing this, I would lay down and then I would stand up, I would move around. Every time I got up, I always asked if like there was a nymph slip, you know, is my nymph out, you know? This bikini top has only support for the side. You bought this bikini, you signed up for that. I love how the pattern is the same for the bottoms because I feel like it really tricks the eye to see that elongation on your body. So one, it doesn't just make you look a little slam, right? It kind of like makes you look a little longer, aka taller. No? One of my favorites. Okay, so the next piece is from the brand Tempt Me. I remember this brand because I kind of thought it was like kind of old lady-ish, but I ended up buying some from the brand, so I guess you can call me old lady. The prints from this brand is kind of like grandma-esque, but I really was sold on the cinches on this bottom, if you can see. Again, for me, I want to draw in my waist. I was like, okay, this can work, you know? And the quality from Tempt Me, I do feel like it's trustworthy because they are a little bit pricier. You know what I mean though? It's a little bit like grown-up-y. Like it gives you a mom feel. It gives so much coverage. Okay, alright. With the extra fabric and the cinching on the side down here, it kind of blends in that tummy area, so I do like that. I did notice that the top, you can wear it kind of like this. You can also play around, wear this a little bit more risky with a little bit of, you know, under boobage. You don't have to do that. For a split second on the sleeves, you have these ruffles going on, so that's kind of cute. It looks like butterfly wings. Butterfly. Even though this has a grandma-esque feel, a mom feel, you know, a mom with 3 kids, Charlie. You forgot to take your vitamin, Charlie, come here. You will be a cute mom. Here's $5, go crazy with it. You can take this little bow off. Just thought I'd throw that in. Also, I forgot to mention the butt area for this bikini kind of like wraps around your butt. So be careful if you go in the water. It might start sagging if you have nothing to hold it like me, and it might look like a diaper. Literally, this is note to self. Thanks. Karen Asian is coming out to get ya. So this next bikini is also from the brand Tempt Me, the mama brand. It's okay. This is in size medium, and I got this very like retro kind of combination set. She came in red. I've always wanted like a retro kind of looking bathing suit. I was sold by the bottoms. This cinching thing going on. There's so much coverage, especially with this peplum, lettuce, lace, pattern, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, I'm starting to realize that I don't really like too much of the ruffles down here because it doesn't really cinch in the waist. Instead, it's like, it's illuminating this, you know. But for the most part, I love all the coverage. Again, that booty has a wider coverage. I just wish maybe not this. Yeah, like maybe not that. This would have been cool. Oh, and also the straps at the back, crisscross. I think that's all the details I need to tell you guys. On to the next. This one. This is also from Tempt Me. I just realized I bought a couple from them, like a lot from them. I don't know why, but like it's such good quality bathing suits. So I decided to go for this one because I wanted something colorful. This is already out of the box, but then the colors. No, you cannot have a number. I wanted something very pastel and cute, and I came across this bathing suit. This is also in size medium. I like how the bottoms have this ruffle in front. It gives a little bit more texture, a little bit more, you know, try me. It has a very flirty look. I do like the sleeves. I think it's different. Take your moment and run slow-mo on the beach. Ta-da! I'm just bad on you, sorry. Oh, so for the bra part, it has great cushion. It feels like a bra. You can't hear it, but it's like a cup bra. Kind of gives you that push-up look, which I could totally enhance, but mind my business. I do kind of like it without the sleeves as well. So I kind of wish you had the option to like snap off the sleeves, but like you can always wear it like this. No one can tell. Compared to all the spaghetti straps we've been seeing, this is a little bit more wider in contrast. I just love the color combination, how bubbly it is. It has these sakura cherry blossom flowers, and the waistband on this bathing suit is magnificent. It's like, come in here, give me it all. I just love the rufflies. See, it's not that I don't like the ruffles. Depending where they're placed on my suit, I like this. I like it how it's on top like this, but I'm not too big of a fan if it's like hanging off the bottom edge. It is a tie at the back like so be careful. Make sure you're double knotted at all times. Cute. This color just flatters. I am sweating. Okay, so this is the next piece, and this is also from the brand Tempt Me. Okay, I'm starting to realize I dragged it too early on. I actually really like this. I really like this brand. Okay, I didn't put this on in the best way possible. The quality is so good, and a lot of the tops, the bikini tops, oh, this is the next one. The bikini tops have such good cups and cushion. So if you're looking for like that push up, then definitely check out Tempt Me because I'm really surprised. So similarly from the previous bikini, it's the exact color, the blue, the pink, but the flowers are different. The ones down here are roses. The top sold it for me. So it has a clip at the back, but you can also tie it. I did a horrible job at that. This is also a halter top, so you'll have to tie it yourself again. Double knot, triple knot, do your knots. I love the mini crisscross pattern going on here. It gives you that illusion right here, especially bring your boobs tighter. It literally draws that nice pattern into the waist. Tempt Me, they tend to cater towards the cinching, so it gives you a little bit more comfort. I love the color combination. It's super cute. It's super flirty. This pastel pink is just everything to me. The jogging support, you know, it's like a sports bra. Everything about this bathing suit, I am obsessed. Another one from Tempt Me in size medium. What's new? This gives me such like lifeguard vibes. Again, that signature cinching, nothing new. And then at the back, there's a halter tie and these two claps. Snuggle snips, very cute detailing. It's red on silver, so those buckles are like silver. This is not a bright in your face red. It's a little bit more like cool tone, muted. It's a bit faded, you know, kind of red. It has padding. The halter top kind of comes down and scoops down here, which is nice. It gives you a bit more of that rounded U, chesticle, breasticle look. I love how there's more coverage and insurance in the booty area, so you don't feel like your cheeks are out. Again, I don't have that problem, so I worry more for the diaper look. I definitely rather have a little bit more coverage because like there's nothing there to show anyways, you know, so it's a lose-lose. This is just a pretty simple red bathing suit, but enough to tickle your back. Wow, wow. The color, oh my god, the color. This is such a cute color, and I believe you could pick so many of these bathing suits in different colors and different shades. It's like this gray blue, and it's so pretty. Out of all of the colors we picked today, this color wins for me. Flattering, I mean, you kind of have to be careful. There's a little bit of padding to hide the nips. Look how great this waistband cinches. This is such a pretty color. It has like the thinnest band, so be careful for that. Obviously you can adjust the straps to your liking, but oh my gosh, this color, you guys, this color. If there's any babies that you want to get, just get this because of the color. Literally the band size is just perfect. It shows like the tip of my belly button. You guys know me, I don't really like showing my belly button. That McDonald's I had from last night is not even showing. Like you can't even tell I had McDonald's last night, and I did. Like come on, I'm literally gonna faint. You're just kidding me. You're kidding me. I love Amazon. I'm gonna keep buying bathing suits from them, but I really don't need any more because I have way too many. Just look at this one though. Oh my god. Amazon is rich. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna link all the bathing suits I wore down below. Yes, we're coming at you with the one shoulder. It has such great support. This band is so nice and sturdy, so I don't even fear. We do have padding right here. Perfect for the girls. The bikini bottoms are tiny. Like, girl, they're tiny. Like, they feel like tiny underwear. I feel like a spaghetti noodle. This is just enough. I love that it's black. It makes me feel so confident, especially how it just frames my body. The booty area is not cheeky at all, so you don't feel like risky there if you're more like me where you don't like to risk. Wraps me like a burrito. However, because it is one shoulder, it gives enough sexiness to it. Fabric is really good quality to my surprise. It's not thin at all. Even down here has a little band. It feels like a sports bra. Like, it is not no princess, pali princess, whatever you want to call it quality, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Can you just tell I'm gonna enjoy this as one of my top pieces? If you're not winning, you're losing. But we've been winning. Win no matter what. Are you ready? Ready for the last bathing suit. This is a one piece. It may not look like it, but it is a one piece. Now back it up. Low-key, this looks like a play suit. It does come with the option of straps. It does have this rubber running along the boob area, the sweetheart neckline. I guess this isn't really a sweetheart, but you know what I mean. It runs here, so it kind of sticks and like grabs onto like your skin. So hopefully it doesn't fall. It doesn't feel like it'll fall as we're testing. I'm impressed. All throughout the bathing suit up until here, it literally snugs your whole body. When you have it on, you just feel like snapped. Rubber band. I'm obsessed with this framing at the chesticles, and it just runs all around back. I got you, Linda. You just listen. The feeling of the cinching feels like a corset. I got this in size 8, by the way. So yeah. And with this being the last piece to wrap it up, that is it for this video. We finally went through all of these bathing suits. 2 hours. I'm supposed to be running errands right now. Anyway, if you're interested in any of these bathing suits that I wore, I'm gonna link them all down below for you guys. Hopefully you can find them. So feel comfortable in your body. Who cares? We all come in different sizes and shapes, and we're not the same. If you're comfortable and you're confident, that energy will radiate off of you, and people will learn how to accept and appreciate that if they don't already. I am shy, so like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to try a Ramwi or Asian haul, since a lot of you guys have been asking for that, like this video. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.